Hi everyone, my name is Veronica. I'm going to go through cleaning a fridge. My fridge was so dirty that my husband asked me to please make a video of it so that I would clean it, because then he'd know that I would clean it properly. So I took everything out and wiped everything with bicarbonate of soda and warm water. Took out every single shelf, including the water tank, and wiped down everything, washed everything, put everything back, and it's sparkling clean again. There was no spoilage, because the spoils usually gets taken out by my husband on a daily basis. So no surprise there, no fault there, just lots of spillage. And it's that drain at the back of the fridge, you know, that one that where all the condensation goes into. That I think was probably blocked, but it was disgusting. Really disgusting. Anyway, cleaned all of that out, and it was just bicarb and warm water. Dried everything, packed it away, and I made sure it was absolutely dry, because the last thing you want is actually that crystal that forms when something is still wet and you put it back. And it's still full, because surprise, surprise, my husband and his brother went shopping and the fridge is full again. So, but come, check it out. It really was disgusting.